Can we screenshot allow replay photo on Instagram after the update? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if after the update of Instagram, we can still take screenshots from the allow replay photos on Instagram. So let's just dive right into the video. So for that, when we normally head over to the chat and when we go to this view photo section and try to screenshot, the app does not let us screenshot due to the security policy for users' privacy from the new update. So before, when we used to go to this allow replay photo and replay the media, we used to get allowed to take screenshots, and usually when we used to do that, the user used to get notified that we had taken screenshot. But unfortunately, the new update has removed that feature. We can't even screenshot or screen record. So the only way for now is asking the user itself for the actual photo instead of the allow replay. So ask them to send the photo normally, and that is only the way for now. So I hope this information was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.